Hi everyone, in this short video I'm going to take you through some of the main new features in our version 6.3 product launch. The main thing in this release is that we partnered with Spectre to bring broader coverage and greater detail to our company investment data. As this change, we've completely redesigned funding and investment filters. So I'm starting here on the Explore page of our product, and I'm going to go into the Financials tab and the investment and funding section here. So you can see that we have very similar filters to before, where you can pick from investment rounds, total investment received, investment date range, and many of the different round types are the same as before. So we've got all the same Series A to J, but we've also added some new filters, in particular the valuation filter, which where available allows you to see match both the funding received with the valuation of that company for the investment. We've also added some toggles here where you can search for companies that have made acquisitions or have themselves been acquired, and you can also search here for companies that have completed an IPO. So I'll just show you a quick example now. I'm going to put in some filters here. So I'm going to look for companies with a minimum of £800 million in investment received and who have completed an IPO. Search here, 10 companies back, and if I delve into one in particular, Oxford Nanopore, and click the full info button, I'll be taken to that company profile where we've also added some extra detail around investment. So if we go into Growth tab here, we've got some new data here. So you can see that this company hasn't made acquisitions and it hasn't themselves been acquired, but it has completed an IPO. If I scroll down a bit, we've added extra detail to the per round investment data. So the UI of the table is improved, so I can sort by any of these columns, estimated amount of each round, and here is particular interest, the valuation after each round, where it's released to the public, and whether that round contributes to the overall total investment depends on the round. So you can see the stars here. We've also now report on the lead investor for each round where that data is released. Scroll here. You can see this company's received quite a bit of investment. Now on our Analyze page, I'm going to take you through a few of the new features that we've got in this release. Of particular interest is our new B Corp filter. So if I go into the Skills and Inclusion section, under Inclusion, I can only include companies that are certified B Corps. Add a location filter on as well. I'm going to look for B Corps in Leeds. Get a quick search here. And we've added some new widgets under the company details section, and it's to gender. Now look at the direct to gender mix, or on the gender mix as before, but I can also go a bit deeper and look at how this breakdown is affected by board size. We've got different values for board sizes, 1 up to large board sizes, both by direct to gender and founder gender. If I scroll down a bit more, we made a bit of a change to our top companies section. So because I've added a location filter, I'm now seeing the top companies by net worth attributed to leads across all these financial. Whereas before, you would see the total turnover, and we now show the total turnover but only attributed to my active location filters, in this instance leads. And we can do this because we have a breakdown of employees and turnover by different location through our data providers such as Lightcast. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. Thank you for listening.